Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PS4 that keeps beeping. Now, this could be because of a couple different things. It could be because there's a disc or something inside your PlayStation 4. Even though you took it out, it keeps beeping 3 times. So if this happens, go to power and turn off your PS4 and unplug it from the wallet for at least like 5 minutes, and then plug it back in and reset the cache on your PS4. Now, another thing that you could do is boot into the safe mode, which we'll do in a second here. And you hold down the power button, go to turn off PS4, and completely turn it off. Now, wait for this light to stop blinking, and we're just going to simply rebuild the database. So, like I said, this is an issue where you don't have a disk in here anymore, and it keeps beeping. So it thinks there's something in there. Now, you could take off this little side panel right here, and sometimes it's annoyingly hard to take off. And if you take this off a little bit, this gives you an area where you can take some compressed air and clean out all these sensors and the buttons. Now, on the newer version of the PS4, it's probably not such an issue, but on this older model right here, this is just little touch sensors. You just go over it and they turn on or off really easily. So take some compressed air and clean out all these buttons in here with the side little tray off. Now, to boot into the safe mode, what you want to do is when your PS4 is turned off, hold down the power button. And you're going to hear one beep, and then you're going to hear another beep. So let's go ahead and just wait. Now I heard that second beep. Then with your controller plugged in, go up to the top, and then press the PlayStation button. And go down to option number 5, rebuild a database. And then go over to OK. And this is going to restart your PlayStation 4 into a screen where it shows you an estimated amount of time. And if you have any kind of issues with your hard drive, you should go ahead and fix it. But this also does resolve a lot of other issues. So now another reason why your PlayStation 4 could be beeping is because you still have a disc in here or something like that. So you can press the bottom one and you could try ejecting it. Now, if you look right here, you can take a screwdriver. There is a little screw, and you can just twist that screwdriver to the left. And if you have a disc in here, it will manually eject it. So just look right here, and then eject the disc, and then you can just grab and pop it up. So I got no disc in here. So sometimes this button, there's just sensor. This sensor is so sensitive. So if you clean this out, it's not going to beep anymore. So if you hear 3 beeps, it's because it's trying to eject the disc. So nothing's in there right now. So just clean this very good, restart your console like this, and hopefully it doesn't do this issue anymore. So just unplug it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.